It's okay. Welcome guys, we are back and today we're heading to a water park in Quebec City called Mont Cascades. I have some chicken here all seasoned up and ready to fry. These are some seasoning that my sister came up from Jamaica yesterday and she brought up some seasoning for me. Oh my gosh, I can smell the season them and them still in the bag. Them smell so good. Jerk, all purpose, Maggi and my curry, of course. So yes, we're gonna fry some chicken today and carry it with us, because you know all we Jamaican do is when we are go beach trip, right? You fry your chicken, you pack up your igloo and you make a corned beef sandwich. So that's the kind of day we're gonna have today. Okay guys, my fried chicken is ready for the road. Guys, we're going down a big hill. Let's... Oh, God! Woo! No, we're not. This reminds me of some hills in Jamaica. Big slides, eh? For the water park? Okay, Barbie. Go forward a bit, Joe. Go forward a bit. Go, guys. Go, Joe. Can you tell this is our favorite slide, even though we get stuck on it? Mickey! Mickey, good! Wet him up, Mickey, wet him up! Good job, guys! Was that fun? Here! Hi, Joe! Come on. Where are you going next, Joe? Where are you going next? This place is so beautiful and fun for you and your family. I advise that you buy your tickets online because it's much cheaper. But this is a great day and a great place to come and have fun with your family. Mickey eating your chicken? Good job. You eating food? Okay, so we just had lunch, got some rest, and we're gonna go on some more rides. It's okay. happy birthday to my niece Doriah and to my daughter Michaela. I love you guys so much. Happy birthday. I hope you guys live to see many more. God richest blessing. Mwah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.